Called Lyric 34, Lament for a Young Woman by Her Mother. Would I give fiercely a shadow of what I love? No more sun behind black trees, or naked a cathedral of earth vaults your head, naked scatters dirt on your shoulders. Tiny gods playing billiards underneath the neon moon of all-night bars, your backs pasture the hills, naked stretch among the lilies, naked inky words on the white paper of your torso, so cadmium pale like your hands uncurl, swath and become the plain, the wheaten landscape, the spatial foci, naked roll down your belly's valley, naked dew beads the dawn, its grasses languish in rain, that torment to gather underneath a hill. Relish this, nothing waste in this lament, naked breasts light an overcast morning, naked stars soak your hair, wrought in the heart with fire, clung to the argument us. A poem forms a new reality from the synthesizing of elements. Naked grips a hammer's body, naked smashes an ignorant hand given to collide with the poet's misunderstanding of the world. No confession, but a song aware of itself with impunity. Naked waters a dying crocus, naked praises your nail chewing. You, bluebird, thrust into the pit attached to a series of formulas with wire wove around your calves. We drink beer and rub our legs for you, naked, pry food from a reluctant branch, naked. He tooths the elegant borders of your dress. A formal poetry blasts all forms. You, a teething baby smelling like butter and irritable, who sucked milk from my swollen nipple, naked commits fraud in a dozen languages, naked stutters in coma, now nibble his nipple with your little teeth. I wish each year the growing dead nudge you closer to the surface of all things, the music of everything. Naked appalls with your smell, naked blackness every pot in the house. The crocus grows for us to eat, her parts, her yolk, her saffron strands of hair, thus.